Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you create a Google Ads account on 2024? Okay, so creating a Google Ads account involves several steps to ensure that you can effectively manage and optimize your advertising campaigns. So here's a few detailed guide on how to set up a Google Ads account. So first and foremost, to set up a Google Ads, visit the Google Ads website. Go to ads.google.com on your web browser and click on Start Now. You'll typically find this button prominently displayed on the homepage. And right now, go ahead and sign into your Google account with your email. Basically, if you have one, Gmail could work as well. So if you already have a Gmail account or any Google service account like Google Analytics, Google Drive, use those credentials to sign in. If not, you can create a new Google account by clicking on Create Account and following the prompts. So set up your Google Ads account, select your main advertising goals. Now, Google Ads will prompt you to choose your main advertising goal, such as getting more website visits, getting more phone calls, or basically increasing sales. So this helps Google to tailor your account setups to your specific objectives. So basic business information, provide details about your business, including your website URL, so business category and location, etc. Set up your budget. Okay, set up your budget. Decide on your daily budget, the amount you're willing to spend on your daily ads. So Google Ads allows you to set a maximum daily budget in which you can adjust later based on advertising performance. You could customize this one. So choose your targeting preference. Define your target audience by selecting demographic, locations, languages, and other targeting options that best match your ideal customer profile. And then once you're done with that, you go ahead and create your first campaign. So campaign type, choose the type of campaign you want to create. Especially Google Ads offers different campaigns, such as searching network campaigns. So text ad shows on Google search results, display network campaigns, so visual ads on websites and apps as well, and video campaigns, ads on YouTube and across the web, especially on Facebook, social media, shopping campaigns, Shopify, very good, and product ads for online stores and more. With the help of AI, of course, it makes it a lot more easier. So campaign settings, customize your campaign settings, including campaign names, networks where you want your ads to appear, search network, displayed network, etc. So bidding strategy, how you want to pay for your ads, and additionally, and additional settings specific to the campaign type you selected. So create ad groups, organize your ad into groups based on themes or products. Each group can contain multiple ads and keywords that are related to a specific theme or product offering. Create ads, write compelling ad copy that includes headlines, descriptions, and URLs that will encourage users to click basically on your ad, or at least watch it, give it screen time basically. So set up billing, enter billing information, provide your billing details, including payment methods, credit and debit cards or bank account. And billing address is very important. So Google Ads will charge your chosen payment method whenever your advertising costs reach your billing threshold, so which you can set on basically or every 30 days, whichever comes first. And review and confirm, double check and All the information that you've entered, ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your basically bidding and billing details to activate your Google Ads account. And the this probably one of the very crucial steps is to verify your account. So account review. In some cases, Google may review your account setup for ensurement that you're in compliance with the advertising policy. So this review policy usually happens quickly, but essentially it's essential to be aware of Google's policies to avoid any issues. Okay. So once you're done, you can go ahead and start running ads. So once your account is verified and your campaign is approved, your ads will start running according to your specified targeted budget, basically. So monitor and optimize. So monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your ads and campaigns using the Google Ads dashboard, and look at the metric like clicks, impressions, conversion rates, and costs to understand how your ads are performing. Basically, monitor your ads. Optimize your campaign. Make adjustments on your ads, keywords, bidding strategies, and targeting settings based on performance data. So experiment with different. I encourage you to experiment with different variations and strategies to improve advertising role. So basically experiment with this one. Okay. So by following these steps, you can successfully create Google Ads account and start running effective advertising campaigns to reach your business's goals, basically. So one thing that I love about this process is it's really smooth compared to what it was 2019 when I tried to create an account where you had to do it manually. Now with the help of AI, it's really game changer. So especially the reach. So it reaches potential customers when they're searching targeted advertising. Google allows you to show your ads to people who are actively searching products or services on your Google search, basically. So this means you can reach potential customers at the moment they are most likely to make a purchase decision. Keyword targeting, I like it. You can choose specific keywords relevant to your business, ensuring your ads are shown to users searching the keywords. And flexible advertising options as well, multiple ad formats, and Google Ads supports various formats as well. That's what I like about this. And images, videos, ad shopping, and everything I like about this one. This flexibility allows you to choose from the format based on your marketing goals and audience target, basically. So campaign types, it's really important. Anyways, yep, that's just it. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.